Hey guys, I just want to make this like quick video guide on how you can connect your TV or soundbar to Alexa. So make sure your TV or soundbar are connected to SmartThings. Then you want to change the name of your TV or soundbar to one that can be recognized by your Amazon Echo device. Make sure it doesn't have special characters. On your phone, open Amazon Alexa app, navigate to menu, skills and games, search enable SmartThings for a TV or Samsung wireless audio for a soundbar, and once the skill is added, tap discover devices, and the SmartThings devices including your TV or soundbar will be discovered automatically, and tap down. But you need to have the SmartThings on your Samsung TV, SmartThings on your phone, and then Alexa app on your phone. Then when you're gonna have the SmartThings on your phone, you're just gonna add the Samsung TV there, and then you're just gonna on Alexa just discover the devices, and the SmartThings devices including your TV or soundbar will be discovered automatically, and then just tap down.